Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something epic lined up for all my fellow Star Wars fans and LEGO lovers out there. We're checking out the LEGO Star Wars, the Phantom Menace Battle Droid with STAP building set, and let me tell you, this one is a must-have for collectors and builders alike. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description to grab yours today at the best price. Trust me, these sets go fast. Hammer and wrench emoji, let's talk build and design. First things first, this isn't your average Star Wars LEGO set. This is a detailed, buildable Battle Droid figure from the Phantom Menace, complete with its iconic STAP, single trooper aerial platform. The build is clean, the details are movie accurate, and the final product looks awesome on display. At ages 12 and up, it's made for older kids, teens, and even adults who want a bit of a challenge in something that really pays off visually. Crossed swords emoji, battle-ready posability. One of the best parts? The Battle Droid is fully posable, head, arms, legs, you name it. Once it's built, you can adjust it into cool stances, set it up in action scenes, or just let it stand proud on your shelf. The included display stand helps keep everything secure and showcase ready. Rocket emoji, the STAP vehicle. The STAP is sleek, sharp, and looks like it flew right out of the movie. It attaches perfectly to the droid, giving you a mini Star Wars diorama feel. The clear support stand gives the illusion that it's floating midair, seriously cool for display. Milky Way emoji, for builders and collectors. This isn't just a toy, it's a model kit experience. The build process is satisfying, especially for LEGO fans who enjoy attention to detail. Whether you're collecting Star Wars memorabilia or just want a rewarding project, this set hits the mark. Star emoji, final thoughts. The LEGO Star Wars Battle Droid with STAP set is a stellar tribute to the prequel era. It's perfect for anyone who wants to mix LEGO fun with Star Wars nostalgia. Whether you're adding to your Star Wars collection or gifting it to a fan, this one's a winner. Don't forget, click the link below to get it at the best price right now before it sells out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and drop a comment telling me your favorite Star Wars LEGO set of all time. See you in the next video. And may the Force be with you.